प्रार्थना श्लोकेन आरम्भं कुर्मः। ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। पूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। नमोऽस्तु रामाय लक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै। नमोऽस्तु तु पुत्रेन्द्र यमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः। So all shlokas related to Ramayana. Somebody is not on mute, so it's causing Anishta Dhvani. Kripaya mute मध्ये गच्छतु. Anishta Dhvani आगच्छति. अस्तु, गतकक्षायां वयं किं पठितवन्तः? संक्षेप रामायणस्य प्रथमश्लोकः। प्रथमश्लोकः श्लोके वयं किं पश्यामः? Can somebody give me one small gist? Anybody knows? Who attended last class? Sangeeta Mahoday,
What did you say? I didn't hear you.
What did we see in the first shloka of Sankshepa Ramayana?
Oh, that was a this is a Balakanda Prathama Sloka, and it is a telling me about the Narad Muni's qualities by Vyas Muni.
So it is actually two people are conversing, talking to each other.
Yeah,
Two
yeah.
people.
Conversation.
Yes, conversation. Who are the two people? One is Narada and one is Valmiki.
Valmiki.
Yeah. So Valmiki is sitting in his ashramam in Chitrakuta. In Chitrakuta, he's sitting in his ashram and generally thinking. He saw in Chitrakuta Rama, he saw how Rama talked to Bharata. He saw his Sita, he saw Lakshmana. He was amazed by them. He suddenly, being a rishi, he wanted to do good for the society and he went into contemplation. So when he was thinking about Rama or anybody like Rama, that is when exactly in a guru form, when the Sishya is ready, guru appears, right? In the guru form, Narada comes. So Narada comes and the first shloka only says, Valmiki Naradam Paripapracha. Valmiki Naradam Prishtavan. कीदृशः वाल्मीकि कीदृशः नारद इत्युक्ते तद अन्य पदानि अत्र विवरणं ददाति. All these other words described Valmiki and Narada. How it describes is what we saw last class. So basically, first shloka says, Valmiki asked Narada. That's all. What did he ask? In today's class, we are going to see what did he ask. He should ask something, right? What did he ask? So these three shlokas, the next three shlokas we are going to see today. These three shlokas are the questions. Can you see three shlokas on my screen? I went to another PPT. Drishyate va?
Na drishyate Mahoday.
Na drishyate. यदा कदापि अहम् एक स्क्रीन् तः अन्य स्क्रीन् गच्छामि तत्र शेर् न भवति. अस्तु, अधुना दृश्यते किल?
महोदय दृश्यते.
अस्तु. So these are the words number 2, 3, 4. These three shlokas he asks Narada, not Narada, Valmiki. He is like one, like you can say, pouring his questions. He did not say, Namaste, come to my ashram, do you want coffee, tea, nothing. He immediately started pouring questions at him. So what are the questions? we all these three, I cannot take only one shloka. We have to take all these three shlokas together. That's why, for some, it could be difficult. It is initially difficult. Eventually, it will become easy. We don't have to worry. We will revise again after a few classes all these shlokas. So don't worry that I'm taking three shlokas at one time. We will learn slowly. But all these three together are questions. So I have taken them as a group. So first shloka of this, we will. Yeah, can somebody read, sing it or read it? Sangeeta Mahoday, can you do that? Patati va shlokaha?
हाँ
Shlokahan? Patati.
कोनवस्मिन् साम्प्रतं लोके गुणवान् कस्य वीर्यवान्
Hmm.
धर्मज्ञश्च कृतज्ञश्च
Hmm.
सत्यवाक्यो दृढव्रतः
Hmm. Hmm.
चरित्रेण च को युक्तः सर्वभूतेषु को हितः
Hmm.
विद्वान्
Hmm.
कः समर्थश्च कश्चैक प्रियदर्शनः
Hmm.
आत्मवान् को जितक्रोधो द्युतिमान् को न सूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे.
Ekavaram aham patami. You read it well, but again I'll read. Konvasmin sampratam loke gunavan kasya viryavan dharmagyascha kritagyascha satyavakyo dridavritah charitrena chako yuktah sarvabhuteshu kohitah vidvan kaha samartascha kaschayka priyadarshanaha आत्मवान को जितक्रोधो द्युतिमान को न सूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे. अस्तु. Atra, now we are not, who is able to understand that there are questions here? Can somebody tell me any question that's here? Shailesh Mahodaya, Prashna asti va?
These are all the Anushtup Chanda. Which is Chanda,
Yeah.
these are?
Chandas is fully, Ramayana fully understood only.
So like Bhagavad Gita, they are all in Anushtup Chanda
Yes,
in the
yes.
same way.
So, yes,
Okay.
it's a very common Chandas. We'll see Chandas if we have time. I don't think we'll have time. There's a lot more to cover, but we'll see. So, Balaji Mahoday, can you find out, can you tell me any question from here? Any question?
महोदय प्रथमे वाक्ये कोन् वस्मिन्
No, simple things you tell me. Like, for example, see kaha vidwan.
कश्च वीर्यवान् कः
Exactly.
वीर्यवान्
Kaha viryavan.
Viryavan.
Yes. So
कः
kaha
कः समर्थश्च
virya.
कः च कः प्रियदर्शनः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च.
So here it is only questions. So many questions he has. So it is, that's why we see a lot of kaha, who is this, who is that, who is that, who is that, so many questions. So we'll go to the first shloka, okay? Who is there? Pooja Mahoday patatu, Pratama shloka or Anantaram tasya padachedaha samanyarthaha api.
बालकांड प्रथम सर्ग द्वितीय
Balakand.
प्रथम सर्गः द्वितीय
Dvitiya shloka.
कोनस्मिन् साम्प्रतां लोके गुणवान् कश्च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञश्च कृतज्ञश्च सत्यवाक्यो दृढव्रतः पदचेद कः न अस्मिन् साम्प्रतां कः नु अस्मिन् साम्प्रतां लोके गुणवान् कः च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञ च कृतज्ञ च सत्यवाक्य दृढव्रतः.
So what has happened in Padacheda? All shloka,
Just
all
breaking
into
it.
separate
Okay.
words. We are removing the sandhi and breaking into separate words. So where is how it has changed? Kaha nu has become konva. Kaha nu asmin. These are three words actually. Kaha nu asmin. has become ko and basmin. Ko, kaha and nu has become ko. Nu asmin has become basmin. Sandhi has happened. Please go on mute. Whoever is on unmuted, please go on mute. Then sampratam, there is loke, gunavan, kascha. Kahacha has become kascha. Then dharmagyascha. Dharmagyaha cha has become dharmagyascha. Similarly, kritagyaha cha has become kritagyascha. Satyavakyaha has become satyavako because here this is there. So all this is many different sandhis. Sandhis we will learn in about like after 1 or 2 classes, not next class. The class after that I'll start sandhis. We will, once we learn sandhis, this we'll know why this has changed to this. What are the rules for sandhi? We will. Astu, so this is the Padachetaha. Samanya Arthaha Patatu Puja Maude.
साम्प्रतान्
Pratham.
साम्प्रतम् अस्मिन् लोके कः नु गुणवान् कः च वीर्यवान् कः धर्मज्ञ कृतज्ञ सत्यवाक्यः दृढव्रतः च अस्ति.
So actually here it is not Samanyartha. I have given the Anvaya itself here because it has to be easy for us to understand. So that's why I have given in more detail. So what is Valmiki saying? Asmin loke, in this loka, kaha no gunavan? Who's gunavan? Kaha cha viryavan? See here, kaha no. No is indeed. Kaha no gunavan. Can you see my mouse pointer? Kaha no gunavan. Who is the person with gunas? Kaha viryavan. Who is viryavan? And this kaha you have to take for others also here. Because for Chanda's purpose, he is given only 2 kaha. Kaha dharmagyaha, kaha kritagyaha, kaha satyavakyaha, kaha dridhavartaha. So in the first verse, this is all he is asking. Hey Narad Maharishi, do you know Sampratam Loki? Sampratam Arthaha Idani. Now, Asmin Loke, in this world, do you know anybody who is a Gunavan, Viryavan, Dharmagyaha, Kritagyaha, Satyavakya, Dridhavartaha? And the subsequent verses, he will list more qualities. Valmiki. It's clear, right? The meaning is clear, right? It's very pretty simple. Only with when there is sandhi and other things, it seems a little difficult. So here it is.
एक प्रश्न अस्ति महोदय, that satyavakyo dridhavrata, it doesn't go together. Is it separate?
Yes, satyavakyaha is one word. Dridhavrataha is one word.
Okay.
Separate words. Satyavakyaha is a character of a person. A person who
Speaking
speaks
truth.
truth.
Okay.
Dridhavrataha, a person who has, when I go to the meaning, I'll tell you eventually.
Okay.
I'll tell you the meaning of everything. So, asti. Radhika Mahoday, Vyakaranamshaha patatu.
कः नु अस्मिन् साम्प्रतं लोके गुणवान् कः च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञः च कृतज्ञः. Ma'am, I'm not able to see the last word, ma'am.
You can move the window from your side also. You can move the window. There are people's faces, right? You can move that window if you want.
Oh.
But that is okay. You can. I want you to read the table.
Okay. कृतज्ञः च सत्यवाक्यः दृढव्रतः. कः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम्. नु अव्ययम्. अस्मिन् सर्वनाम इदं शब्दः पुल्लिङ्गः सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनम्. साम्प्रतम् अव्ययम्. लोके अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनम्.
पठतु.
गुणवान् तकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम्. च अव्ययम्. वीर्यवान् तकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम्. धर्मज्ञः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम्. कृतज्ञः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम्. सत्यवाक्यः अकारान्तपुल्लिङ्गः प्रथमाविभक्ति एकवचनं दृढव्रतः अकारान्तपुल्लिङ्गः प्रथमाविभक्ति एकवचनं
अस्तु. So what are we doing in Vyakaranam Shah? We are just giving the Vivaranam of Pratishabdasya Vivaranam Atra Dattam. So we are saying the Linga Vachana Vibhakti and the Anta for Namapada, and for Kriyapada we are giving the Dhatu and Lakara and Purusha and Vachana. So Astu, do we have a Kriyapatram Padam Atra? Radhika Mahoday, Kriyapadam Atra Asti va?
अस्ति क्रियापदम् अस्ति वा?
अस्ति एव क्रियापदम् अध्याहृतम् अत्र न लिखितम्. अत्र we have to say कः वीर्यवान् अस्ति, कः धर्मज्ञः अस्ति, कः कृतज्ञः अस्ति. अस्ति is अध्याहृतम्. अस्तु.
Ma'am,
And
one question, don't mind. Actually, my net is not working properly. In the previous slide, Vyakaran Vansha, there are two words. We have said they are takaranta.
yes.
These are the takaranta.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Gunavan. Like while reading the Shabd Gunavan, how do we come to know that it is a takaranta? Same way, Viryavan is also takaranta.
Yeah, a couple of classes ago we learned Takaranta Shabdaha. In Takaranta Shabda, there are 4 variations we already saw. In that, one variation is Vat and Mat, like Buddhiman, Balavan, Shriman, Viryavan. So whenever Van or Man is used, it is the Takaranta Shabda. We saw
That's
that.
a takaranta. Right, Mother. Right.
Please ask a question, no problem. So whenever we have Van or Man, it is a Takaranta Shabda. And it follows the format of the Vibhakti table will be like Bhavan.
Right.
Astu.
Actually, net is giving very big problem, net.
Yes, I know. And Uttarakhand, no, you said.
Yeah. It is raining outside. It's difficult.
How do I go to previous? Go to the previous, please. Thank God. So here we know Kaha, we know Nu. Nu is an Avyayam, which means indeed. Asmin. Have we learned Idam Shabdam until now? Does anybody not know Idam Shabdam? Just like Tat Shabda is there, right? So Tat or Etad. So we say Etad. How does the Pullinga form go in Etad? Pullinga form for Etad Shabda. Who can tell me?
Eshaha,
Eshaha, Etau,
etau, ete.
Yeah,
Etam.
so Etam. So like similarly in Idam Shabda, it goes I am for Pullinga. I am, Imau, Ime. And Asmin. That is the format. Asmin means this. Just like Etasmin, Asmin also means this. Is anybody not familiar? Go to sanskritabhyas.in and search for Idam Shabdam. It is very similar to Etad Shabda. So it also has 3 lingas. This is a Sarvanama Shabda. Sampratam is Avyayam. Loke we know Akaranta Saptameva. Here again we know this is Takaranta.
One moment. Sorry. Is it Sanskrit.in you said, ma'am?
Sanskritabhyas.in.
Thank you.
So any questions in this Vyakaranam Shaha?
No.
No.
Ritesh Mahodaya Patatu Pratipadartah.
कः नु अस्मिन् साम्प्रतं लोके गुणवान् कः च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञः च कृतज्ञः च सत्यवाक्यः दृढव्रतः कः अर्थः कः who नु he indeed अस्मिन् एतस्मिन् in this अस्मिन् and एतस्मिन् are पर्यायवाची.
Yes, that's what I said now.
एतस्मिन्.
It is a different rule. Idam Shabdasya Pullinga Rupam. Saptami Vibhaktyam.
Asmin. अस्मिन् एतस्मिन्
एतस्मिन् इस् एतत् शब्दस्य पुल्लिङ्ग प्रथमा I mean सप्तमी विभक्त्या उक्तम्.
in this saptami in this sampratam idanim now loke saptami vibhakti, right? Martya loke earth, martya loke is earth. Gunavan prashastaihi gunaihi yuktah, one with auspicious qualities. Cha and viryavan parakrama sampannah, one with valor. Dharmagyaha dharmagyata, one who knows dharma. Kritagyaha upkaragyaha upakaragyaha, one who is grateful. Satyavakyaha satyavakta, one who speaks only the truth. Dridha vrataha dridha sankalpaha, one who is steadfast in his efforts. Dridha vrataha. Prathama vibhakti.
This is all
Or
Prathama
this
vibhakti. Yes. So it is
Anek
basically
Prathama vibhakti.
kaha dharmagyaha, kaha kritagyaha. That's all he's asking. Kaha satyavakyaha, kaha dridhavrataha. So he's asking such questions. Kaha gunavan, kaha viryavan. But he says, asmin loke, in this world. Why? Because they are rishis, right? There is Devaloka, there is Swargaloka, there is different lokas are there. So, but he's saying in this loka where humans are living, Bhuloke, Martya Loke, he wants to know, Valmiki is asking Martya Loka. That's why he's saying some in this loka. He doesn't mean this world. He's saying where humans live in this Martya Loka. And why Sampratam? Because he's saying, don't tell me, 4,000 years back, somebody was living in heaven. He was a Gunaman, he was a Viryaman. Today, I want this person to be right now living. Give me somebody. That is the meaning of Sampratam. Right now, that person should be living. He should be living in this world. And he should be having such qualities. Okay. And what is... see, Gunavan, we know, Gunavan is somebody with auspicious qualities, right? Like caring for others, respecting others and stuff like that. Viryavan is with valor and not just being fully powerful in whatever task we do. Astu. Dharmagyaha, anytime this gyaha is there, that means it is a knower of that. So dharmam janati iti dharmagyaha. Kritam janati iti kritagyaha. Person who knows about gratitude is kritagyaha. Dharma, person who knows dharma is dharmagyaha. Sarvagyaha, we tell for Bhagavan. Sarvagyaha. Sarvam janati iti sarvagyaha. Satyavakyaha, he speaks. Prashnava, Anishtadvani. So, Satyavakya, anybody who speaks only the truth. Dridhavrataha is somebody who takes a resolve to do something and completes it. Many of us during New Year resolution will take a resolve and not complete it, right? I'm not telling everybody. I am like that. But he's asking, so Dridhavrata is a person who will take a resolve and complete it, take it to its destination. So, who is going to do Vakya Visleshanam, basically grouping? Shailesh Mahodaya?
Asti kaha kaha gunvan asti.
No, yeah, we want to group. Priya
Oh,
Param.
okay. Sorry. Prathama vibhakti. Sampratam. Gunvan.
Sampratam.
Sampratam is an avyay.
Avyayam. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Gunvan. Viryavan. Dharmagyaha. Kritagyaha. Satyavakyaha. Dridhavrataha.
Dvitiya Tritiyam nasti. Chaturthi api nasti. Panchami api nasti. षष्ठी अपि नास्ति, सप्तमी अस्ति।
अस्मिन्
हम्म,
अस्मिन् एक only one sub word अस्मिन् सप्तमा विभक्ति and अनन्तरं नु अव्यय साम्प्रतम् अव्यय च अव्यय च अव्यय च अव्यय.
yeah, we have to say only once.
लोके अपि अस्ति.
लोके अपि
लोके
सप्तमी.
सप्तमी लोके.
लोके अपि सप्तमी विभक्ति. अस्तु, so अनन्तरं this is आकांक्षा क्रमेण अन्वयः. चित्राराव महोदय अस्ति वा?
आं महोदय.
पठतु.
क्रियापदम् अस्ति अध्याहृतं कः अस्ति कीदृश कः अस्ति गुणवान् पुनः कीदृश कः अस्ति वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञः कृतज्ञः सत्यवाक्यः दृढव्रतः च कुत्र अस्ति लोके अस्ति कीदृशे लोके अस्ति अस्मिन् लोके अस्ति कदा अस्ति साम्प्रतम् अस्ति.
सम्यक्. So atra usually when we do this akanksha krama we have to ask punah kidrisha punah kidrisha to get one answer, but for this class purpose I added everything in one go, but this is hope this is like
कीदृश विभक्ति अनुसरति.
आम रा कीदृश रामः शब्द पुल्लिंगे रामः शब्दवत्
राम शब्द
स्त्रीलिंगे कीदृशी नदी शब्दवत्
नदी
नपुंसकलिंगे वनं शब्दवत्.
महोदय एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति. कः अस्ति उत्तरं किमर्थं कः आगच्छति?
Because there is not, we need to have that in the Anvaya, right? Otherwise, how would we incorporate kaha?
Okay, there are two kahas, that's why. Okay, tatra davosti kaha no asmin saparloke gunavan kaha.
Yes.
Sure.
That kaha we cannot, we can, it is only for, just play it for me. I cannot say for Valmiki. For me, it looks like he is added kaha wherever it is fit and necessary, not everywhere. Because if you see in this shloka, he is asking for 5 qualities. Virvan, all these 5. He is not having 5 kahas. He is having only 2 kahas. So, yeah. But then this is a good question I will ask my teacher. Why would I say kaha asti kaha? I'll definitely ask and come back.
Kaha api prashna asti kila. That's why.
So how will you ask a prashna to a prashna? I'll ask that. I'll definitely ask.
Dhanyawad.
Thank you. Shailesh Mahodaya vadatu prashnaha.
This asti, is it a akarmak kriyapada or sakarmak?
Bhavani deveva vadatu.
If it is akarmak, it means there won't be second vibhakti in that. Always sashti vibhakti comes there, is it?
We will go to, see, when you get an answer to the karta, if you get one answer and there is an object, then it is a sakarmaka dhatu. Dhatu which has an object.
Asti, it means there is no karma.
Yes. But we will have this, next class is going to be sakarma karmaka only. We will discuss that during that time. Okay. Balaji Mahodaya patatu.
Mहोदय. अस्मिन् लोके नु साम्प्रतं कः गुणवान् कः वीर्यवान् च धर्मज्ञः च कृतज्ञः च सत्यवाक्यः दृढव्रतः अस्ति. अन्वयात्तः हे महर्षे इदानीम् अस्मिन् जगति कः खलु विशिष्टगुणसम्पन्नः पराक्रमी धर्मतत्त्ववेत्ता परोपकारस्य अविस्मारकः सततं सत्यवादी दृढप्रतिज्ञश्च पुरुषः अस्ति. Who among the men in present earth is the one with auspicious qualities, is valorous, knows dharma, is grateful, who speaks only the truth and steadfast in his efforts.
If you see, many of these qualities even Ravana has, but he doesn't know dharma. He's not a dharmagya. That is why he is not fitting in that, people say. Again, like last class, this Anvyartha has more difficult words than the shloka itself. The shloka is far easier to understand, but it is exact Paryaya Vachi only that is being used here. Again, in this Katha Kalakshepa, Harikatha and all, they say, who speaks only the truth? No, Rama will say, Lakshmana while killing Indrajit, he'll take a bow and arrow and say, if my brother always speaks the truth, let this bow and let this arrow hit Indrajit. And that is how he will shoot. And Indrajit dies. So some nice little tidbit I said there. Ask them. Who wants to read the next shloka? Who Apuja Mahoday, again, I think we come back to you. Or let's do somebody else. Astu, you only have spoken for. Okay, Patatu, Shailesh Mahoday.
चारित्रेण च को युक्तः सर्वभूतेषु को हितः विद्वान् का समर्थश्च कैश्चिक प्रियदर्शनः कैश्चैक प्रियदर्शनः. Shall I read further? Padachhed.
Yes, the whole slide.
Padachheda Padavibhag plus Santhi. Padachheda Padavibhag Charitreణ च कः युक्तः सर्वभूतेषु कः हितः विद्वान् कः समर्थः च कः च एक प्रियदर्शनः. सामान्यर्थ तात्पर्यम् कः च चारित्रेण युक्तः कः सर्वभूतेषु हितः कः विद्वान् कः च समर्थः कः च एक प्रियदर्शनः अस्ति.
So again he is listing how many qualities. One, Charitrena Yuktah, Sarvabhyuteshu Hitah, Vidvan Samartah, Eka Priyadarshanaha. In this shloka, he is asking for 4 more qualities. Previous shloka, he asked for 5 qualities. In this shloka, he is asking for 4 more qualities. So what is he saying? Shailesh Mahoday, Bhavan, tell me, where is the Sandhi happening? Where is the transformations happening from the shloka to the Padacheda?
Kaha ko yuktah becomes ka yuktah.
Kaha yuktah becomes ko yuktah.
Yeah, sorry, yeah. Ka yuktah becomes ko yuktah. Then again ko hitah. Kaha hitah becomes ko hitah. Then samartha cha becomes samarthascha. Kaha cha एक प्रियदर्शनः become कैश्चिक प्रियदर्शनः.
So again kaha cha and eka priyadarshana, there are 3 words which has become kashchaika priyadarshana. So this is pretty straightforward. I don't think there's a lot of so here saying kaha cha charitrena yuktah, who is endowed with character. You know, charitram is the character. Who is yuktah? Endowed with, possessed with. Who is possessed with character? Who kaha sarva bhuteshu hitah? Who is hitah is goodness, thinking good for people, doing good for people. Who does good for all living beings? Kaha vidwan, who is scholar? Kaha samartah, who is capable? Kaha eka priyadarshana, who is beautiful? Like that. We'll go into more details. Apuja Mahoday, Patatu.
व्याकरणंशः चारित्रेण अकारान्त पुल्लिंग तृतीय विभक्ति एकवचन च अव्ययम् कः अकारान्त पुल्लिंग किं शब्दः प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचन युक्तः अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचन सर्वभूतेषु अकारान्त पुल्लिंग सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन हितः अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचन विद्वान् सकारान्त पुल्लिंग विद्वस् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन समर्थः अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन एकप्रियदर्शनः अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन.
So here, if you see Eka Priya Darshana, it is actually 3 words, but it is a Samasta Padam. Samasa we will learn only the Kamalam level, not in this level or in the next level. It's a Samasta Padam, having many words put together to make one word. So those details also should be there in this Vyakaranamshaha, but we are not giving all that. Okay, similar Sarva Bhutaha.
Mahoday? Sorry.
Vadatu?
सर्वभूतेषु पद सप्तमी विभक्ति बहुवचन रूप अस्ति वा?
Oh, yeah, there's a mistake. Eka Nimsham, maybe I can right away change it. Eka Nimsham. Then I'll forget. Thank you for pointing that out. Sarvabhuta. So Sarvabhuteshu is also Sarvabhuta is also a Samastapadam. Astu. So we have not seen until now a Sakaranta Shabda. If you see Vidwan is a Vidvas Pratipadikam. It's a Sakaranta Shabdam. Pullinge. Aste. Astu. Any other words that you are not familiar with? This is
युक्तः युक्तः प्रातिपदिका किम?
Yukta only. Yukta. If I say Akaranta Pullinga, that means just like Ramaha, the Pratipadikam is Rama. Akaranta Pullinga, here Yuktaha, Yukta is the...
युक्तः युक्तौ युक्ते.
Yes.
Okay.
Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Yuktaha, Yuktau, Yuktaha.
युक्तः.
But how Yuktaha? It has come from the Yuj Dhatu. From a verb has been changed to a Namapadam. That is an advanced topic. Let's not break our heads over it. So, no questions, right? I can go forward.
One question. This in previous slok, there was a word called Vidyavan, that is Vidyavat. And here Vidwan is Vidvas.
Because this is good question. Uttamaha prashnaha. Atra tu Vidvas iti shabdaha eva asti. Tatra guna iti I think guna shabda se we are adding a vat pratyaya. So guna vat pratyaya or virya vat pratyaya is added to make it viryavat viryavan. But here there is no pratyaya. Vidvas itself is a pratipadika by itself. I've cleared your question, Mahadev.
Look at the word, you won't know whether it's Takarant or Sakarant. Takarant or Sakarant.
Yes, that is also true. But this Vidwan is a very popular word. You will see many times. Whenever you see Vidwan, now we will know that it is a Sakaranta Pullinga. It will come many times. Vidwan was like popular word. It will keep coming. Just like the way we build vocabulary in any language, we keep listening, hearing, reading, and we know that this word is like this only, this word is like that only. Sangeeta Mahoday patati va?
प्रतिपदार्थः चरित्रेण चारित्रेण शीलेन with a good character cha and kah who yuktah sampannah one who possesses sarvabhuteshu sarveshu pranishu among all living beings hitah hitakarah one who does good vidwan shastrajnah scholar knowing shastrats samarthah kshamah one who is capable ekpriyadarsanah sarvesham nityam priyah one with enduring looks.
So here
Ma'am, here samartah, shamah.
Shamah.
Shama, shama is one word is shama and other word is saksham. They have got two different meanings.
Shamaha is one word with a lot of meanings. So there is one meaning is a person who is capable. Shama
So
is
my
a,
point was, in these three words, pratipadikams will be different.
I really
Saksham,
don't.
shamaha, and was the third one I said, saksham,
Shama,
shama, saksham, and shamaha. There are
What
three
is-
words now.
What is saksham? I don't know.
Saksham means capable, strong enough. I am able to do this physical work, and to some extent mental also.
Okay.
Physically, I am
Shama,
fit enough.
Shama
Shama is pardoning. Shama
Yes,
is pardon.
forgiving, yes. But I really don't know. Shama is
So
a
this is
Strilinga
the
Shabda.
third one, shamaha, which is
Hmm.
a different. It is capable.
Yes.
So
Shama,
pratipadikam will also be different. My point is that all the three cases, pratipadikam will be different.
I don't know. I really don't know. We have to check. Shama is a
Because everything
Strilinga
is
Shabda.
coming with sham. Everything is coming sham. Saksham, shama, and shama.
Yes, possible. It could be, I think it is having different Pratipadikas, but I'm
Maybe.
really not sure. I can check and tell you.
Maybe, ma'am.
Yes, I really don't know. But Shama is one word which has a lot of meaning. One meaning here is being capable.
Right. Okay.
So Charitrena Yuktaha Kaha. So with the person who is having a good character. Sampannaha also means possessing, endowed with. Sarva Bhuteshu Hitaha. So they are saying that again one nice tidbit is usually in this world we always are nice to people who do good to us. But Rama is one person who does good to not just who are good to him, but to everybody else. That is why they have included, Valmiki has included the word Sarva. It is actually not necessary. He could have just said Bhuteshu Hitaha, but he said Sarva because even if the person is not doing good to us, is the person being able to do good back. That is why that Sarva, the importance of Sarva there. So again, small tidbit that I wanted to tell. Samartha is very capable. He who is capable in day-to-day relationships, day-to-day transactions. So when Bharata came to Chitrakuta saying you have to come back to Ayodhya to become the king, he somehow managed to give a solution that does not hurt Bharata or the people of Ayodhya, and gave the Paduka to as a representative of him to rule Ayodhya. A small thing. Eka Priya Darshanaha. What is that? Person who is beautiful. Can a person be beautiful looking for everybody? Somebody will look beautiful for me, somebody will look beautiful for somebody else. Like the beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? But Rama is a person for whom everybody looked at him and he looked beautiful. So after Valmiki asks all these questions, for the next 90 plus shlokas, Narada is going to describe Rama and also describe the Ramayana story. So that at that time he will say he is beautiful, he is Samartha, he is Sita and all that. Any questions in the previous slide? Meaning? Nasti va?
समर्थः इत्युक्ते शक्तः अपि चलति वा?
शक्तः अपि चलति. व्यावहारिकलोके शक्तः चलति.
आं महोदय.
ओके. चित्रा महोदय भवती एव पठतु.
चारित्रेण च कः युक्तः सर्वभूतेषु कः वितः विद्वान् कः समर्थः च कः च एकप्रियदर्शनः. क्रियापदम् अस्ति अध्याहृतम्. कः अस्ति?
न we are grouping prathama vibhakti.
प्रथमा विभक्ति. कः युक्तः हितः विद्वान् कः समर्थः कः प्रियदर्शनः.
कः एक एकवारमेव वदतु महोदय कः प्रथमविभक्त्यां then do we have द्वितीया नास्ति तृतीया अस्ति किल
चारित्रेण तृतीया
चतुर्थी नास्ति पंचमी
सप्तमी विभक्ति बहुवचनं सर्वभूतेषु
सम्यक् तदेव अनन्तरम् अव्ययं च सम्यक् so then Akash एकनिमिषं let somebody else get it done. राधिका महोदय पठतु
क्रियापदम् अस्ति अध्याहृतं कः अस्ति कः कीदृशः कः अस्ति युक्तः केन युक्तः कः अस्ति चारित्रेण पुनः कीदृशः कः अस्ति हितः केषु हितः कः अस्ति सर्वभूतेषु पुनः कीदृशः कः अस्ति विद्वान् समर्थः एकप्रियदर्शनः
so that's pretty straightforward, isn't it? You any प्रश्नः अस्ति वा नास्ति वा so basically again all these qualities it is there in who is vidwan, who is samarthah, who is priyadarshana, sarva bhuteshu kohitah, who does good for all beings, who is charitrena yuktah, who is possessed with good character. Ritesh Mahodaya patatu.
चारित्रेण युक्तः कः सर्वभूतेषु हितः कः विद्वान् कः च समर्थः कः च एकप्रियदर्शनः अस्ति अन्वयार्थः कः पुरुषः सच्चरित्रः सर्वप्राणिनां हितचिन्तकः निखिलशास्त्र निष्णातः सर्वकार्य संपादन पटुः सर्वेषां प्रियश्च अस्ति who is possessed of right conduct and who is friendly to all living beings who is possessed of and who is powerful and who has a singularly lovable appearance.
Singularly means eka here means that for everybody, for each and everybody, he is very pleasing, both internally and externally. That is what it means. So, prashna asti va atra?
Sarva karya sampadana patuhu.
Patuhu means smart.
Smart.
Sarva karya in all work. Sampadana means capable. So a person who is smart in all work, in completing all work. It is for Samartha, they have tried to say this. For Samartha, this is the Paryayavachi that is being used. Clever or Patuhu is being clever or smart in all work, in managing all work.
सच्चरित्रः अत्र प्रथमा विभक्ति दृश्यते वा?
आम् सच्चरित्रः with good character. चारित्रेण युक्तः is सच्चरित्रः. Or you can, or like we saw, what did we see? Guna युक्तः, गुण संपन्नः, शील संपन्नः in the प्रतिपदार्थः. गुणवान् वा शीलेन संपन्नः. See, चारित्रेण शीलेन युक्तः is संपन्नः, possessed with good character. So we can say शीलेन संपन्नः अथवा सच्चरित्रः.
Ma'am, this Nikhila Shastra Nishnatah.
Just like Akila or Nikhila means in the world. Nikhila, Akila means world. Nishnataha again is expert. Shastra is, you know, Shastras, right? So Vidwan is for Nikhila Shastra Nishnata, a person who is an expert or capable in all Shastra or knower in all Shastras. Who is that Vidwan? Like I said, this will be more difficult than the shloka itself.
And we are supposed to learn this by heart, is it?
No, not necessarily.
Sarvaguna Sampannaha.
Anvayartha, we write in English, is it enough, or we are supposed to learn the Sanskrit too by heart?
Mahoday, don't worry about mugging this up and all. We have to enjoy learning the language. That's all. How much ever we are able to write, we will write. That's all. We are not going to become IAS officer. No problem.
Ma'am, what is the word?
No, I just wanted to know, ma'am, in the exam, are we supposed to write? That was my question.
No. I actually don't know about the question. Frankly speaking, I don't know anything about the question. I don't know when, how, why, what, nothing. I have no information. I will let you know when we get closer to the exam. Because the first time I'm taking Ladakh class, I don't have any idea about exam.
I just wanted to know that you should write the Sanskrit one or the English one or both.
If you write Sanskrit, it is good for you, Namaste, to improve
Yes,
your
ma'am.
vocabulary. That's all.
Yes.
If you write in English and you write the correct meaning, that is enough. But if you write in Sanskrit, obviously you will get more marks because you have taken the effort to write and learn, isn't it? That's how it is. But it's okay. Let's enjoy. That's all I'm saying. That is my opinion.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this just one this thing. Nikhil Shabda means what? Nikhil.
Akila.
What is the meaning of what does it mean?
World, the whole world.
It's a world. Okay, okay, world. Okay.
Any other question? We'll go to the last shloka. I mean, for the class. Balaji Mahoday Patatu.
अस्तु महोदय आत्मवान् को जितक्रोधो द्युतिमान् को न सूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे पदच्छेदः पदविभागः अधिकः सन्धिः पदच्छेदः पदविभागः आत्मवान् कः जितक्रोधः द्युतिमान् कः अनसूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाः च जातरोषस्य संयुगे सामान्यार्थः तात्पर्यं कः आत्मवान् कः जितक्रोधः द्युतिमान् अनसूयकः च अस्ति संयुगे जातरोषस्य कस्य देवाः च बिभ्यति.
So please tell me how the sandhi has happened. What's the transformation? Parivartanam katham bhavati atra?
कः जितक्रोधः को जितक्रोधः कः जितक्रोधः द्युतिमान् को जितक्रोधो द्युतिमान् इति परिवर्तनं भवति. कः अनसूयकः को न सूयकः इति परिवर्त्यते. कस्य भवति देवाः च देवाश्च
तदेव किल.
आम्.
Then astu. Then how many gunas is Valmiki asking in this particular shloka? Kaha Atmavan.
Atmavan. Jitakrodha. Dutiman. Anasuyakaha.
So this entire thing is one guna. Tasya Bibhyati Devasya Jata Roshasya Sanyuge is one guna. Here he is asking Atmavan 1, Jitakrodha 2, Dutiman 3, 4, Anasuyakaha 4, and Kasya Bibhyati Devasya Jata Roshasya Sanyuge is 5. Totally 5. So 9 plus 4 plus 5, totally 16 qualities he is asking. That I need somebody in this Bhuloka, right now living, I want somebody with this quality, 16 qualities, like that. What is the meaning of Atmavan Jitakrodha? We'll see. And what is the meaning of this long line? We'll see that. Shailesh Mahodaya, Prashna Astiva.
Yeah, this Dutiman is a Takaran Shabda?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh.
So Dyuti means, what is Dyuti? Light.
Okay.
So Dyutiman, so somebody with radiance, effulgence, with aura. Astu, so we'll go to the next shloka if there is no other question here. Who's going to read? Shailesh Mahodaya Patatu.
Yeah. Atmavan ka jeet krodha द्युतिमान् क अनसूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाः च जातरोषस्य संयुगे आत्मवान् तकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचन कः अकारांत पुल्लिंग किम शब्दः प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनः जीत क्रोधः अकारांत पुल्लिंगः प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनः द्युतिमान् तकारांत पुल्लिंगः प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनः अनसूयकः अकारांत पुल्लिंगः प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनः कस्य अकारांत पुल्लिंगः किम शब्द षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचनः बिभ्यति भी धातुः परस्मैपदी लट् लकार प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचनः देवाः अकारांतः पुल्लिंगः प्रथम विभक्ति बहुवचनः. This बिभ्यति is a बहुवचन or
should be ekvachana. Ekvachana.
Who's saying ekvachana? Naitra Prakash Mahoday.
बिभेति
Bibyati.
बिभीतः बिभ्यति बिभेति बिभीतः
Should be
बिभ्यति
ekvachana. It is
Bahuvachan.
shown as bahuvachana.
yeah
It's Bahuvachan.
बहुवचन एव.
Where is that?
Bibyati should be ekvachana.
Ekanamsha Mahoday. I just, that is the, it is like a tricky shabda. It is like dadati. So we will tend to definitely get
the B
confused.
धातु
बिभेति बिभीतः बिभ्यति नास्ति वा?
अस्ति महोदय, तदेव
yeah.
अहं दर्शयामि.
yeah here it is बिभेति
बिभेति बिभितः बिभ्यति.
बिभ्यति
It is like dadati, dadati,
Okay.
like that.
अस्तु
बिभ्यति.
अस्तु okay
Bahuvachana.
बहुवचन.
बहुवचन.
एक निमिषं, let me share again. God, sharing the wrong screen. So good question. I was waiting for somebody to ask that question actually. That B dhatu is parasmaipati. Why? Because devaha is bahuvachana. Devaha bibhyati. That is the meaning here. Okay. Any other thing? So taka. This is atmavan, dhyutiman and all is takaranta pullinga. Jitakrodha anasuyaka is akaranta. Devaha is also akaranta but bahuvachana. Astu.
द्युतिमान् अत्र द्युतिमत् प्रातिपदिका अस्ति.
आम् द्युतिमत् पुल्लिङ्ग. भवान् शब्दवत् भवति. भवान् भवन्तौ भवन्तः. द्युतिमान् द्युतिमन्तौ द्युतिमन्तः. इतोपि अस्ति किल? शैलेश महोदय पठतु.
आत्मवान् कः जितक्रोधः द्युतिमान् कः.
No, we have 3 more words for the Vyakarnamsha.
च अव्ययम् जातरोषस्य अकारांत पुल्लिंग षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन संयुगे अकारांत पुल्लिंग सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन.
So this is प्रश्नः अस्ति चेत् कृपया पृच्छतु. नास्ति चेत् अग्रे सरामः. Who is going to read? पूजा महोदय पठतु. Meaning प्रतिपदार्थः.
प्रतिपदार्थ आत्मवान् स्वाधीनता कारणः. One who is self-controlled. कः who. जितक्रोधः is वशीकृतक्रोधः. One who has won over anger. Dyutiman is Kanti Sampanna. One who has effulgence in the face that attracts all the worlds. Anusuyakaha is Asuyarahita. Asuyarahita.
Asuya rahitah. Without
Asuyarahita. One who is free from envy. Kasya is Kasya, whose. Bibhyati is Bitaha Bhavanti, are afraid. And Devaha is Amaraha, Devas. Cha is Api, even. Jataroshasya is Jatakrodasya, of whom anger is provoked. And Sanyuge is summary in the battlefield.
So here he is asking, Kaha Atmavan? Kaha Atmavan is who's one who is self-controlled, or one who knows who he is. That he is Vishnu Avatara himself. Rama is Vishnu Avatar himself. He knows who he is. He knows how to control his actions. One who is self-controlled is Atmavan. This is Antakaranaha, Swadhinantakaranaha. There is one in missing here. I have to change it. So Kaha Atmavan, then Kaha Jitakrodaha, one who has won over anger. He will, there are many times in Ramayana where Rama forgives a person. He doesn't kill. A Kakasura example, Kakasura troubles Sita very much, but even then he forgives him. So he is able to control his anger. Then Dyutiman. Dyutiman meaning Kaha Dyutiman, meaning who is effulgent, who is having that aura. There are some people whom we go near and we feel a feeling of calmness, feeling of peaceful. If I be with this person, I'm feeling calm. So that is that Kanti there. That is how we can understand it. Then he is asking, Kaha Anasuya Kaha? What is Anasuya? What is Asuya?
Jealousy.
Jealousy. But another meaning of Asuya is there are some people, if you see, they'll keep finding fault with others. You're wrong here, you're wrong here. But a person who is Anasuyaka, even if a person is totally wrong, he'll be like Rama as a person who will be able to see if there is anything good in that person. To be able to see finding good in the other person is Anasuyaka. So one who is free from envy, another meaning is one who is able to see good in others. Then, Kasya Bibyati Devaha Jataroshasya Sanyuge. Sanyuge in a battlefield, if suppose Rama is getting angry, he's provoked. And that anger, even here, cha, important word, cha doesn't mean and here. It means even. Even the Devaha, even the Devas are afraid. That is how you have to understand it. What is this? Am I making myself clear? I don't know. The second line meaning I'm trying to say, Tasya Bibyati Devascha Jata Roshasya Samyogi, right? Devaha Bibyati. The Devas are afraid. Where are they afraid? They are afraid in Samyoge. Samyoge means Samare. Samare means battlefield. In battlefield, Jata Roshasya, Tasya Jata Roshasya, whose anger, in English it is very difficult to translate. That person whose anger, even the Devas are afraid. Who is that person? That is Rama. Am I telling it correctly? I mean, is it understandable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Astu Mohoday.
जातरोषस्य न अवगतम्.
Jataroshasya jate ityukte jayate. Something is becoming born. Kim jayate tatra? Krodha jayate. Kimartham krodha? Ravanaha Sitam apaharitavan kila. So at that point he is getting angry. So in the battlefield, Samare, his anger, even Devas are not able to handle his anger. Jata Roshasa is a person who is provoked to become angry, one who is triggered to become angry. Jata means being born, and Rosha is anger. So person who is getting angry. Jata Rosha is a person who is getting angry.
जायते इत्युक्ते जानाति वा?
न जायते इत्युक्ते born. जन्म होना.
अस्तु.
अवगतं वा महोदय?
आं महोदय.
How do I tell it? I am thinking actually. So even
produce.
Produce. His anger is produced there, provoked there, triggered.
उत्पन्नः.
तदेव. कोऽपि आगत्य रामस्य क्रोधं अधिकं भवति.
राम में कोप को उत्पन्न करने.
तदेव. तत् समये तस्य कोपः देवाः अपि सहन्ति न सहन्ति तदर्थः
अस्तु
तदेव
सहनं
भवती
कर्तुं न शक्नुमः
तदेव 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 this already you have read, somebody else can read. Sangeeta Mहोदय पठतु.
क्रियापदम् अस्ति अध्याहृतम् बिभ्यति प्रथमा विभक्तिः कः आत्मवान् जितक्रोधः द्युतिमान् अनसूयकः देवाः षष्ठी विभक्ति कस्य जातरोषस्य सप्तमी विभक्तिः संयुगे.
So this is just grouping of which is in which vibhakti. अव्ययं च.
अव्ययं च.
प्रश्नः अस्ति वा? Who's going to read? Ritesh Mahodaya, you haven't read for some time.
आकांक्षा क्रमेण अन्वयः क्रियापदम् अस्ति अध्याहृतं कः अस्ति कः कीदृशः कः अस्ति आत्मवान् पुनः कीदृशः कः अस्ति जितक्रोधः द्युतिमान् अनसूयकः क्रियापदं बिभ्यति के बिभ्यति देवाः बिभ्यति it shouldn't be काः बिभ्यति
न कः वै कः
कः कौ के ओके के बिभ्यति देवाः कस्य बिभ्यति कस्य जातरोषस्य कुत्र बिभ्यति संयोगे
this so अस्तु अत्र तु सरलमेव कः अस्ति कः आत्मवान् अस्ति कः जितक्रोधः द्युतिमान् अनसूयकः अस्ति तत् सरलम् अत्र देवाः बिभ्यति संयोगे कस्य जातरोषस्य अत्र what have we read when we learned vibhakti whenever बिभ्यति डी धातु अस्ति चेत् we have to use what vibhakti
षष्ठी
बिभ्यति पञ्चमी खलु
पंचमी एव we have to use we have said marjarat मूषकः बिभ्यति बिभेति so the rat is afraid of the cat but here we are using Valmiki Rishi is not using panchami he is using shashti why we cannot ask him that is the answer is rishi prayogah there is something called rishi prayogah whatever the rishi writes that is the rule. So it is called Arsha Prayoga, just like Arsha Seva Kendram, Arsha. This is called Arsha Prayoga, where whatever the Rishi writes, that is the right thing. We cannot say, hey, you have used Vibhakti is wrong here, you have to use Panchami. It should be Kasmat, Jata Roshat, Ramat, yeah. Kasmat, Jata Roshat, we cannot say. Here he has used Kasya Jata. So whose anger even the devas cannot handle. Prashna asti va? Agre saramaha? Who has not?
Ma'am, but in previous slide that Kasya Jataroshasya will also come in the answer part. Kasya is a question, right? Kasya Bibhyati is a question form,
yes,
but then
yes.
again Kasya Jataroshasya is added. So
That
Kasya is important.
Yes, I will. Kasya, yes, we have to ask, because Kasya is there in the shloka itself.
Yeah, it's there in the shloka. Okay, so referring to that. Okay.
Yes.
Part of the shloka.
Yes. But then whether this format is correct, whether we can have Kasya, just like Balaji Mahodaya asked for Kaha Asti, this also I have to definitely ask.
Here also Kaha is there.
Yes.
Kaha Asti, Kaha is there.
Yeah. So that I will check and take. Next class, I'll ask my teacher. So, who has not spoken? Shailesh Mahodaya, va? Patatu?
आत्मवान् कः जितक्रोधः द्युतिमान् कः अनसूयकः
महोदय जितक्रोधः
आत्मवान् कः जितक्रोधः द्युतिमान् कः अनसूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाः च जातरोषस्य संयुगे कः आत्मवान् कः जितक्रोधः अनसूयकः अस्ति च देवाः संयुगे जातरोषस्य कस्य बिभ्यति अन्वयार्थ पुनः च कः स्वाधीनान्तःकरणः जितेन्द्रियः क्रोधरहितः तेजस्वी कान्तिसम्पन्नः असूयाशून्यश्च अस्ति संग्रामभूमौ सञ्जातक्रोधात् कस्माच्च देवाः अपि बिभ्यति who has subdued himself, who has conquered anger, who is possessed of splendor, and who is above fault finding, and who do the devas dread when his wrath has been provoked in battle.
So that's what Kaha Atmavan, who has subdued his self, Kaha Jitakrodha, who has conquered anger, Anasuya Kaha, I said, right? You are finding fault in people. Who is above finding fault finding in people? Then, what is the other word? Where is the Dyutiman? There is no Dyuti itself here. I forgot Dyutiman. I have to add Dyutiman here. So who is with splendor? Who is full of radiance? Who is who do the devas are afraid of even in the battlefield when he is provoked with anger? Don't worry about this these Samskrita Anvayartha. If it is difficult, no problem. So Asuya Shunyaha. Shunyaha means zero, like without. Who is without Asuya? Like that. Krodha Rahitaha. Rahita is without again. Who is without Krodha? Like that. Astu. So Atra he is asking for 16 qualities. Gunavan, Viryavan, Darbangya, Kritagyaha, Satyavakyaha, Dridhavrataha, Charitrena Yuktaha, Sarve Bhuteshu Kahitaha, Vidwan Samartaha, Eka Priyadarshanah, Atmavan, Jitakrodha, Yudiman, Anasuyakaha, Kasya Bibhyati, Devaha, Chada, Jata Roshasya Sanyuge. So all these qualities he is asking in one single person only, not different people who is living in that present time. Another thing, if we see in today's age and world, we are all looking mostly, I mean, people are generally looking for money, power, position, fame. But if you see here, there is no Dhanavan, there is no Yashasvi, there is nothing related to money, power, fame, wealth, nothing. So this shows the greatness of the person who's asking, Valmiki himself, who's asking for the best, the greatness. How can you become great? Rather than what is the wealth in this Martya Loka. So these are the qualities. Even if we have one of these qualities, then whatever by reading Ramayana, we should have at least one quality. That is the idea. That is why Valmiki is asking, if somebody reads my Katha and gets even one quality, then my book is successful with that. Astu. So with this, we come to the conclusion of Sankshepa Ramayana. For today's class, we will go to numbers. And numbers being numbers can be really, really confusing. So last class, what did we learn regarding numbers? Ekam, Dve, Trini,
Ekam,
Chatvari.
Dve, Trini, Chatvari.
So what did we learn about that? That there are
Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari. There Striling, Pulling, and
Trishulingeshu asti.
Trishulingeshu asti. Bhinnani Rupani Santi. So it is there. Eka will be in only Ekavachanam. And Dvi will be only in Dvivachanam. Because there's only two. And 3 and above will be Nitya Bahuvachanam. Because you cannot have 1, 3 or 2, 3s. But 1, 2, 3, 4 all have different lingas. So they have different lingas. Till now is clear, right? Till now it is clear. Now let's see 5 to 100. And get confused even more. So I have this sheet, this, see. So where is it? Yeah. Is this, hope this is, can you see it right? I hope it is clear. So 1, 2, 3, 4 has different lingas. From 5, Pancha Arabhya, it is all without linga. You can freely use it for any linga. So that is understandable. But, go back. Oh God. Where am I? Yeah. So then how do the forms look like? They are all Bahuvachana. So they don't have Ekavachana. They don't have Ekavachana. From 5 to, I'm talking about 5 to 5 and above. They don't have Ekavachana, Dvivachana. They have only Bahuvachana Rupa. And they have only one linga. They will, for all lingas, you have only one rupa. Okay. From Pancha to Navadasha, from 5 to 19, they follow one format. What format? I will show you. From 5 to 19, Panchataha Navadasha Paryantam. The Vibhakti follows the same format. It's a Nakaranta Shabda. From Vimshati is 20, right? What are the words from 20 to 100? What words end with T?
Strilinga.
What words end with Tihi, Tihi, Tihi?
It's a
Strilinga,
Kriyapada, Parasmaipada.
No, this is
Strilinga Shabda
Namapada.
asti Mahodaya.
Vimshatihi Trimshat.
I'm saying this is not Kriya Padam, this is Nama Pada. Please do not get confused. Pratamam. Dvitiyam asti Tritiya Srilinga only, but I am asking what the Shabdas that end with Tihi, right? Vimshatihi, Eka Vimshati, Dva Vimshati, all Tihis are there. Can you see Tihi, Nava Vimshatihi?
Ikaranta Strilinga.
Harihi.
Not Harihi, Matihi. They
Matihi.
follow
Matihi.
Matihi. Matihi, but it is Matihi in Ekavachana form. Although this is a Bahuvachana Shabda, it follows the Matihi in Ekavachana Shabda, like Matihi, Matim, Matya, Matyai, like that, or Mataye, like that. All Tihis. Where is the other Tihi? Saptatihi, Eka Saptatihi, Ashitihi, Ekashitihi, Navatihi, until Navanavatihi, all Tihis will follow Mati Shabda. Okay? And the Trimshat, Eka Trimshat, all that is there, right? All that will follow.
Jagat.
Not exactly Jagat, actually. It is similar to Jagat. No, it is just similar to Jagat. I will show you the form. It is very, very similar to Brihat or Jagat that we learnt already. Okay, so two things you have to remember. One, that Tihi will follow Mati Shabda, and Trimshat, Chatvarimshat, all that will follow that Brihat Jagat, similar Shabda form. Another thing, from 20, they're all Strilinga Shabdas. All these Shabdas are Strilinga. So now you can ask me, now only you said Trishilingeshu Samana Rupaha Bhavati. Now you are saying Vimshati Taha, it is all Strilinga. I'm only saying that Vimshati itself, if you ask Vimshati, what is your linga? It will tell Strilinga. The linga for Vimshati and above is Strilinga. Okay, like if we say Eka Saptatihi, it is a Strilinga. 3 Panchashat, it's a Strilinga, like that. Now, is it clear? Now we'll see all this in the, I wanted to give one,
What about this Ekasashtihi, Dvisashtihi?
What about that?
Is it same as a Mati?
Yes, that will also be like Mati only. That will also be like Mati only. Just check this, but I'll check that. Okay, so we'll see this, the forms in the. So see, this is a Panchan. What is the Pratipadikam? Panchan Nakaranta. We have not read Nakaranta yet. Nakaranta, Sakaranta, we have not read. So Panchan, Pancha, Panchabhihi, Panchabhyaha, Panchanam, Panchasu. Similarly for Sapta, similarly for Ashta. Only thing, Ashta has two forms. Ashta, Ashtau, Ashtabhihi, and Ashtabhihi. Ashtabhyaha and Ashtabhyaha. So Ashta has two forms, but otherwise it's the same. From Pancha to Navadasha. From 5 to 19 Paryantam. Navadasha Paryantam. It is Nakaranta Nitya Bahuvachana Shabda. That is what is written here. Except in this numbers from 5 to 19, it's the same format, except 6, Shat. Why? It is a Shash Shabdaha. It is a Shakaranta Shabdaha. We have not read Shakaranta Shabdaha. Shakaranta follows Shat, Shat. It should be Shat Bihi, but because of Sandhi, this it has become Id. So it has become Shad Bihi, Shad Byaha, Shad Byaha. Again, because of Sandhi, it has become Shannam and Shatsu. See, here it is Pancha, Pancha, Panchabihi, Panchabhyaha. It's all the same. From 5 to 19, it's the same, except for 6. 6 we saw. And because it is not a Nakaranta Shabda, it is a Shakaranta Shabda. And Ashta has two forms. It is the same format for all 3 lingas. And it is Nitya Bahuvachana. Any questions till now? Till now, any questions? Okay. So Vimshati, just like I said, Vimshati will follow just like Mati Shabda. It is a Ikaranta, Nitya Strilinga. Vimshati is a Nitya Strilinga, Nitya Eka Vachananta. The Anta will be like Eka Vachana, but it's actually Bahuvachana number. The Anta will be like Mati Shabda, Eka Vachana Rupa. Vimshatihi, Vimshatim, Vimshatya, Vimshatyai, Vimshatyaha, Vimshatyaha, Vimshatyam. These are the other forms. So that is why I said till all the tihis will have, and all the atra dattamasti shashti taha nava tihi paryantam. So shashti also will follow like matihi only, Shailesh Modya. So Vimshati Shabdavat Strilinga. So all these numbers will follow the Mati Shabda form. This Trimshat, Panchashat, Chatvarimshat, they'll all follow the form. Trimshat, Trimshatam, Trimshata, Trimshate, Trimshataha, Trimshata, Trimshati. This is slightly different from Brihat Shabdaha. Because in Brihat we'll have Brihantam as the Dvitiyam. Here it is. No. But yeah, no. You cannot compare actually, you just have to remember. Trimshat, Trimshatam, Trimshata, Trimshate, Trimshataha, Trimshati, Trimshati. Yes, any questions? Is it confusing?
Ekvachanam seems like Ekvachanam of Brihat. Right?
See, Brihat about you're talking about Pullinga, huh?
Pullinga.
Okay, here this is a Strilinga Shabda, first of all. And in Pullinga, if you see the Dvitiya will have intam. So if you have Brihan, the Dvitiya will be Brihantam. But here it is not Trimshantam. There is no Nakara here. It is just Trishantam. Apart from barring this Dvitiya, others are same. Others are Xerox copy. Only Dvitiyam, the intam is not there. Nakaranta is not there.
But that another Takaran Shabda, which we learn in that Sankshep Ramayana, they becomes Na, jaise Dhrutimat Dhrutiman. Here Takaran Shabda, they don't change.
That is why I'm saying. Here, but no, Takaranta has many forms, no? Mat and Vat has... Okay. Here, Takaranta, just Jagat Shabda is Jagat Shabda only. Just like Trimshat is Trimshat, Jagat, Marut. Marut means wind. That's from there only Maruti came. So Marut is a Takaranta Shabda. Jagat is a Takaranta Shabda. So similarly, Trimshat is a Takaranta Shabda. The Pratama Vibhakti will be Trimshat, Jagat and Marut only. In Takaranta, there are 4 variations. When you add mat, vat, it becomes one Takaranta. When you have the own words itself as Takaranta, the Pradipatikam itself will be Takaranta. These are those kind of words where the Pratipatikam itself is a Takaranta Shabda. Like we saw another word with vas, that's a Sakaranta Shabda, similarly. Shatam. Shatam is pretty easy, just like Vanam. Shata Shabda, and there's no confusion at all. Shatam 100. Ekavachananta Rupam, Bahuvachanam it is. Shatam Shatam, Shatena Shataya, Shatat, Shatasya, Shate. Just like Vanam, there's no confusion. Okay. So this is just a summary of whatever I have said till now. Somebody can read it. Who wants to read? Radhika Mahodaya Patat. Avadeyam. Radhika Mahodaya? Asti va?
You're on mute. You're on mute.
Sorry, I was on mute, sorry. Avadheyam. Saptan Navadashan. Ityesham Nakaranta Shabdanam Rupani Pancham Shabdavat Bahuvachane Bhavanti. Vimshatitah Navanavati Paryantam Sankhyavataka Shabdaha Srilingaha Ekavachanantaha Cha Bhavanti. Trimshat Chatvarimshat Panchashat Ete Trayah Takarantah Anye Ikarantaha Shata Shabdaha Napunsakah Ekavachanantah Cha.
Whatever I have said till now, that only is given here. So Pancha to Navadasha is Nakaranta form except for Shat. Ashta has 2 forms. Vimshati to Navavati is like Mati Shabda. It is Strilinga. They are all Strilinga. But this Trimshat, Shatvarimshat, Panchashat will be like Takaranta. They are Takaranta Strilinga Shabda. Anye Ikaranta Shabda. Shata will be like Vana Shabda. Napunsakalinga Ekavachana. Astu? You have to read this a couple of times to understand. Okay, there is this exercise. Should we do this, or this will take another 15 minutes? Or do you want to do it as homework? This is one Shubhashitam. Pooja Mahodaya Patatu Udyamaha.
Udyamaha sahasam sahasam dhairyam buddhihi shaktihi parakramaha shadete yatra vartante tatra devaha sahayakrita. Sahayakrit.
In Sahasranama it will come with the krit, like that krit, person who does sahayam, person who does help. Who is it? Devaha. Devaha atra Ishwaraha, Bhagavan. So who is helping? Devaha is helping. Putra yatra Udyamaha asti, Sahasam asti, Dhairyam asti, Buddhihi asti, Shaktihi asti, Parakrama asti. Yatra Shad Gunaha Santi, Tatra Devasya Sahayam Nishchayena Bhavati. For a person who is having these 6 qualities, where these 6 qualities are there God will be ready to help. God will help. It's a very simple shloka.
Shadete is, what is Shadete? Shadguna, okay.
Shat Yete. Yete is Yeshaha Yetau Yete. Yeshaha Yetau Yete. Yetat Shabda Pullinga. Bahuvachane Yeshaha Yetau Yete. Shat Ete has become Sandhi Karnat Shadete. Shat Ete. These 6 Yatra Vartante. Wherever these 6 are there, Vartante is Bhavanti. Paryaya Bhavanti. Paryaya Vachi for Vartante is Bhavanti. Yatra Shad Ete Gunaha Vartante Bhavanti. Tatra Devasya Sahayam Bhavati. Putra Yatra Udyamaha, effort, Sahasam, adventure, Dhairyam, bravery, Buddhihi, intelligence, Shaktihi, strength, parakramaha, valor or bravery or energy, power, that wherever these are there, tatra Bhagavan asti. Prashna asti va? Ete Subhashite? Nasti kila? So again another power packed class actually with lots of information here, I would say. This since I don't want to continue the class because I think it will just go over our head. Please do this along with the homework that is given in the Google Classroom. Please do this also. It's a very simple homework actually, a very simple slide, very pretty straightforward. So we'll finish the class now. Any questions with the previous homework or anything?
Ma'am couldn't do that Vyasam Vashishta Shloka Anvaya Rachana.
Couldn't do meaning, you have doubt?
We are confused how to proceed with it.